The first Dutch immigrant families that arrived in Paraná have brought in their veins lots of hope and strong religion, education, and cooperativism principles. In order to cope with the specific challenges, the pioneers founded the Sociedade Cooperativa Holandesa de Laticínios and had a dream. Neither the more optimistic ones could imagine such a large and profitable harvest. Today, the Batavo Agro-Industrial Cooperative, the oldest production cooperative in Brazil, is a national reference in agriculture, dairy production and management system. The will and twin that united the immigrants is the same strength that determines the destiny of Batavo and its members. None of us is so good alone as all of us together. The purest concept of cooperativism, which is fidelity and group work, is a normal practice here. Based on new technology and market opportunities, the technicians of the co-op follow up and plan the agricultural and dairy activities of the members based on georeferencing information and data bank. A precise planning cycle according to the members' necessities strengthens the capacity of negotiation to buy inputs from dealers. A clear example of how a union makes costs lower. Besides, there is also an infrastructure with everything the member needs: technical assistance, updated technicians, feeding plant, supply of products and services, processing seed plants, reception and processing of grains, storage facilities, computing services and grain commercial department online with the market. So is a co-op servicing its members. A clear example of how the union improves the production. It never stops growing. In the last 10 years, the milk production increased more than 25%. The production of soybean and corn has doubled. The production of feeding more than doubled. And most important, income has increased 4 times. The essence of cooperativism is once more evident in the Batavo production sales. The cooperative has a standard system for reception and drying grains, and the grain sales department follows up 100% of every farmer production without buying their production. It means that Batavo sells the production on behalf of its farmers. When selling lots of tons, again the cooperative has more commercial strength. It is the same with all the milk and pork commercialized through the pool and with other cooperatives in the region. Another clear example that union makes more profit. The Campos Gerais region is one of the largest technological agricultural centers in Brazil. Batavo and its members have written part of this history. The dairy and pig farming activities have the same technological level of the national and international genetic standards. The milk production per cow is similar to the best averages in the world, with constant genetic development. Batavo is also a strength in agriculture. The yields for soybean and corn are similar to the best international averages. The no-till system has been developed and adopted among the farmers. In order to increase production yields, Batavo invests on research. The cooperative has partnerships with the main technology and seed production companies in Brazil, which results in a very updated germplasm. Batavo is also one of the maintainers of the ABC Foundation, which gives agronomical and scientific support to all the cooperative technicians. There is a total commitment to quality. Batavo has adopted a non-GMO traceability program for more than 10 years in 100% of the soybean production, which is an important guarantee for the national and international market demand. Batavo is also an example in environmental preservation. It develops proactive actions in partnership with its members to assure a safe future to the next generations. An example is that a good part of the power utilized in the industrial process comes from own reforestation areas. In the social area, the cooperative does its best to assure its members adequate working conditions. Members' wives and children also get a special attention. After all, this is a direct investment on the future of the cooperative. Batavo Agro-Industrial Cooperative, a winning history. The cooperative takes care of everything so that the members can produce, diversify its activities, and foresee new horizons. There is a total integration among the members, the production structure and the market. This kind of work has conquered the trust of the producers and the respect of the buyers. It is a work based on the Dutch pioneers' concept that arrived here in the beginning of the last century. The dream they have planted is today a strong reality. Batavo is an example of union.